Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you through a simple and effective way to improve your online browsing speed and privacy using an SSH UDP tunnel. We'll be using a trusted service called SIS UDP Online and connecting through the Sockzip TunnelVPN app, which is available for free on the Google Play Store. Think of this as building a secure, high-speed tunnel for your internet traffic, helping to make your browsing experience faster, smoother, and more private. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. First, open your web browser and go to the official SSH UDP Online website. You can also search SSH UDP Online on Google and look for the official site link. Once you're on the website, look for the plan labeled 30 Days UDP Premium, and from the options, select 30 UDP request servers. This option will give you access to a reliable and secure UDP tunnel that can be used with your VPN app. Now it's time to create your server. Enter a username and password, complete the CAPTCHA for verification, and then click the Create button. Once the server is created, you'll see your server details on the screen. Make sure to copy and save your IP address, port, username, and password, as you'll need them in the next step. Step 2. Now, let's move to the app setup. Open the Google Play Store, search for Sockzip TunnelVPN, and install the app. After installation, open the app on your device. Once inside the app, tap the gear icon to open the settings. In the settings section, select UDP request as your connection type. Then tap on configure settings or any similar option available. Here, enter the server IP, username, password, and port that you saved earlier. Once everything is filled in, save your configuration and return to the home screen of the app. Tap the connect button to start your VPN connection.
You are now successfully connected using an SSH UDP tunnel through Sockzip TunnelVPN. This setup can help improve your browsing experience by offering enhanced speed and a more secure connection, depending on your internet provider and location. Always remember to use VPNs and tunneling apps responsibly. This tutorial is for educational purposes only and is intended to help you understand how these technologies work for privacy, security, and stability. Avoid using VPNs to engage in activities that violate any service's terms of use or local laws. Also, be cautious when using third-party services. Make sure you use reputable websites and apps, and never share your personal or financial data with unknown platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and privacy tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.